said to rotate, so I did. So this is a house that is built in 2002. It's on the corner. It's got tons of parking. Thank you for joining me today. Let me know if this is the correct way or if you're seeing this sideways. I wanted to point out that it's at the end of this road. Really nice little private street here with only two other homes, and it's the corner one, which has great side access. And you notice the lush landscaping. The backyard is amazing. I'll show you that in a little bit. So thank you for joining me today. I'm with Remax Little Oak Realty, showing you this beautiful property for the first time. And this is a wonderful, you don't have to mow this lawn, but it's always green no matter what time of the year. I always like those type of lawns. Beautiful front porch, and you've got the screen on the front door, the phantom screen. So in the summer you can just keep your door open and have that to keep the bugs from going in. Let's enter this beautiful home. So if you joined or listened to my radio show this morning, that was a lot of fun with Curtis Pope. Look at this entry. It's a grand entry, beautiful. The formal living room. So happy May or Victoria Long weekend, everyone. So this is the first time you're getting a sneak peek in this house. And again, please let me know if this is sideways or if it's the perfect, I wish I could go wide on this, but it said to rotate it. This home has two gas fireplaces. Look at the trade ceilings. And as I go through, please let me know if there's anything you have a question or anything specific you'd like me to answer. Dining room, you don't get those much nowadays. The beautiful kitchen, gorgeous island. The pantry has the cutest door on it. And a beautiful pull-out drawers in the pantry. Gorgeous countertops, beautiful design. The cabinets go to the ceiling. You've got your coffee bistro area over here, which another wine fridge or beer fridge or cream fridge. Double sink in the island with the dishwasher. And then your French door, water and ice dispenser fridge, all that cabinetry for storage. You'll notice this grand, beautiful family room, and it's got built-in surround sound for beautiful, beautiful music. So you can relax in and look at the ceiling height. Isn't that gorgeous? That rock fireplace is just beautiful. I got the gas fireplace on for you since today's a little bit of a cooler, rainy day. So let's show you the deck, because if you are an entertainer, you will love this yard and deck. So again, you've got the phantom screen on this French door. Coming out to this gorgeous, look at that. It's so beautiful. The design is gorgeous. You got the privacy shade over there. And I'll point out that there is a gas line to the barbecue. You never have to haul up propane. Beautiful shades. It's so pretty at night. You've got the gorgeous lights, and you've got the under deck, and then you've got the outer deck, so you can get some sun and look. I mean, I wish it was a clear day, but the mountains are so beautiful. Like, I'm gonna zoom in a bit so you can really see. This is the Albion area. So you're not very far from, you can go up the street to Pitt Lake, and just, you always have these mountain views. This property is almost a half acre. Can you believe it? Right in Albion. I mean, you are 3 minutes away from the Albion Sports Complex. Look at the shop. That's a little over 1,000 square, almost 1,100 square foot shop. I will bring you in that. because it's got a bathroom, high ceilings. It looks short from this side, but from the other side, wowzers, that's beautiful. So this corner property has back access, which is gorgeous access to the property, plus the front entrance that I've already showed you. So let's go inside and continue our interior tour. This property has a 1-bedroom in-law suite, which is actually very cute. It's actually designed very nicely. I would live in there. It's nicely done. Look at that, high ceilings. So if you have any questions, always just let me know as we go through. Nice breakfast bar. I want to make sure you saw that. And see the design behind or underneath the stools? This kitchen was custom made. You've got all the deep drawers, which of course are more expensive than the cabinets. So you got the deep drawers on both sides. Okay, I don't want to make you dizzy, so I'll go slow. Look at the mantelpiece. Oh, I can sit here with a glass of wine, read a book. So on the main floor, you have a half bath powder room, which we're going to go to right now, the laundry room, and a bedroom that they're using as an office. So that's a beautiful sink. I love it. This is the bedroom that's being used as an office. It's got this really unique architecture of the octagon windows. Technically a bedroom because there is a closet, but it makes a perfect office. Hey everyone, if you're watching, is this straight up or am I sideways? Just please feel free to let me know. Okay, I'm gonna go upstairs now. And also let me know if there's any nooks and crannies that you want to look into, if you have any questions about it. So we've got almost 3,400 square feet of space in this house. And as I said before, there is an in-law suite. It's almost a half-acre lot. It's a total of 5 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. You've got a linen closet here, bedroom, full bathroom, bedroom, and look at this. Beautiful view from above. This is called a bridge. I love bridges. All the railings. Let's just look down. Down on life. Let's have a look. What's happening? Okay, I'm going to bring you to the master bedroom first because that's an exciting space. You've got fans. Huge, huge master bedroom. See the trade ceiling? This is a gigantic room. You can fit, as you can see, a whole area where you can have a sitting area, plus a large bed with beautiful windows that frame it, and then the ensuite. Soaker tub, huge window, beautiful tiling, very calming colors, large shower, a beautiful walk-in closet with a window and shelf organizers. See the corner shelving? This is important space here. And don't forget to look behind here because, again, more closet organizers. You're not looking at the white mesh shelving. You're looking at the high-end shelving here. You've got the toilet closet for privacy. And then check out the custom cabinetry. Lots of room to put up your makeup and your perfumes. So any questions about the master bedroom or anything, just let me know. Walking over the bridge, for privacy, the rooms are separated from the master bedroom. Let's go into this beautiful corner bedroom. Look at the ceiling. Again, the architectural design of this home is just gorgeous. This is a large room for a second bedroom. Wow. Beautiful calming colors, great views out the windows. Again, the octagon-shaped corner windows. And then the third bedroom that's upstairs. Again, you've got vaulted ceilings like panobote. It's just beautiful. Every bedroom has something unique about it. The curvature of the window, and this is a large room for a third bedroom. And then let's just take a sneak peek of the bathroom. Again, matching cabinetry throughout the house. Very nice deep soaker tub again with the shower head and tile. There is a built-in vacuum in this home. We're gonna go down right now to the downstairs space because there is a great either theater room or just hangout room. If you like man caves, you can call it a man cave. It is a multi-purpose flex room, games room, and lots of storage. So let's see what that's like for the upstairs use. It's actually a bunker. So this is just the open space down here, which is a great space if you want to have some office desks or a little area. Lots of storage here, which actually is bigger than you think. But this storage, before we go into the bunker theater room, organized shelving. Okay, now this is an exciting space. You've got your wet bar over there. This is just waiting for your ideas. My husband's a musician, if most of you know, or if any of you know, and this is perfect space to make noise. People don't hear you, you're under the garage. It's cozy. Just imagine a theater screen right there and some theater chairs right here, a popcorn maker in the corner, a beer or wine fridge in that corner. It's great. Okay, I'm going to bring you into the 1-bedroom in-law suite. This is the living room of the suite, and then you've got an open style kitchen with a great island. This is a big kitchen for a suite. You've got a huge area in the entry, dining area. This is the bedroom. And you'd be surprised, there's a walk-in closet. Again, every girl's dream. Love walk-in closets. You've got coat closet here. This is your furnace room here. This is your full bathroom for down in the suite. Very nice. I love that tap. But very nice design, huge window. Nice cabinetry and countertops again. Let me not forget to show you the space. Love having a linen closet in your bathroom. Okay, and then this, I have to just point it out. No, it doesn't come with the house, but it is custom and it is great for your cat. I love it. All right, so that is the 1-bedroom suite. Now the suite space, look at this. They've got their own entertainers area, fully covered, beautiful lights. I know you want to see the shop, but before we do that, I just want to point out over here, you've got 2 entrances from the side, because you're walking distance if you take the bus anywhere. There's that entrance, and then up these stairs, because that's a street right on the side, of course, as I said, corner. Then there's the side door to the garage there. I didn't show you the laundry room yet, so I'll show you that. And then you've got this side entrance. And again, all this hedging for privacy. Okay, let me bring you into the shop. I'm sure Richard's gonna be watching. He's gonna be jealous of the shop. Raised garden bed and huge yard. And this is not even the half of it. Trust me, when I go to the back of the shop, you'll see what I mean. This shop has everything you would want. And no, the boat doesn't come with it, but you could put your own boat in here. You've got the heater, nice fan. You've got, again, built-in speaker system, so wired in for that. It's all alarmed. The bathroom, I'll show you. There's the bathroom. All your workbenches. Beautiful space. I mean, I love it. Wash basin, bathroom. I've spent a lot of time here. Our generally and everything. I've spent a lot of time in the barn with Richard fixing up our cars. Be nice to have a shop. But we aren't in the market right now. But if we were, this is a beauty. Okay, so let me show you. There's so many areas you can garden on this property. And the sellers are meticulous people. They take care of everything. Like, if you have to come next week. I'm having an in-home public open house for the first time since this whole breakout that we've had. They're allowing us to have up to 6 people. So I'm going to have Me, my mortgage provider, I'm going to allow 4 people in at a time. So come next week, but don't wait. I mean, make a private appointment. Look at this backyard. Look at this. I mean, just look at it. Just look at it. There's the double gates back there, so you can enter off the back road. And then the huge, look at the paved area. And then, of course, the beautiful design. So I had a contractor, architect, actually design a plan for a carriage house above the shop. And the quote came in at about $290,000. And you can have a carriage house up there. Maybe you run a business and you could use it for offices above the shop. But look at it, it's so pretty and it matches the house. So it's not your everyday average shop here. So I wanted to tell you a little bit about the area and neighborhood. So let's go up the stairs into the main house. So you're a 3-minute drive to the Albion Sports Complex. Your schools are Albion Elementary. You're in the school district 42, Garibaldi Secondary, Thomas Haney's High School. I mean, there's many others. As I said before, the bus is close by. Look at so pretty. I'm sure it's going to be clear next week, but you should actually come and have a look at it yourself. Just make a private showing. Call me, message me. If you have a realtor, message them, call them. I do have a drone video of the property that flies over and walks through, plus a 3D Matterport of the property that you can find online or just ask me for. Floor plan as well, which I can send you. Okay, a bit more information while I walk through. So, I haven't really eaten much today, and I'm thinking I would love some of the Albion pizzeria that is nearby. Oh, so good. That pizza place is so delicious. You have the #1 coffee house in all of Maple Ridge is the Kanaka Creek Coffee House, 3 minutes away. It's #1. I've gotten these really cute mugs there that I bought. That when you put hot water or tea or coffee in, it actually changes the image. It's really neat. Okay, demographics for the area. There's 14 businesses in the area. The median age is 39. The average household income is $132,000. And the percentage of households with children is 71%. It's an English-speaking community. And the majority of the education here is a university degree. The occupation of most are in business, finance, and administration, followed by social sciences and education. Most homes were built between 2001 and 2010, this one being 2002. And you buy your neighborhood just as much as you buy your home. So it's good to know these stats. So again, please join me. Please join me next Saturday at the same time, 12 o'clock, but come to see it live, like in person live. What does live mean nowadays, right? So I'll be here. We'll be showing up to 4 people at a time next Saturday at 12, between 12 and 2. So please come. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have a great long weekend, and I'm off to my next live, which is at 1:30 for a 55 plus top floor corner condo in Mission. So if you know somebody who could use that kind of a space, please have them watch. It's at 1:30 today. Okay, take care. Bye.